Hey, how's it going? Here with Bison Roofing on a roof that we just finished up here in Edinburg, Texas. One of the most common questions we get is, why does my roof not last as long as it's supposed to? There are a couple of different reasons why your roof isn't lasting as long as it should, but one of the most important reasons that we see is the lack of ventilation or improper ventilation, right? On most houses, you have dormant vents, which are your box vents, your ridge vents that sit on the roof and allow for the hot air to escape out. And then you have some electric vents, right? Here in front of us, we have a attic breeze solar vent that was recently installed by our crew. The good thing about this solar vent is that it works as an extractor, sucking out the hot air from the attic. Feature about this particular one is that it's solar powered. So every day it powers up and is self-running on its own system, right? This helps out so that your shingles last longer. Your AC isn't constantly running, so you get more lifespan out of it as well. In addition to that, this is also going to help you take out the moisture and humidity of your attic, right? And again, this is one that we commonly installed. We are certified, and one of the top of the line vents that you can install on your roof, which is an attic breeze solar vent.